Hello guys, Happy New Year, and from this year I'm going to make some different tutorials from the past lessons. Okay, I was recording tutorial more than 2 years, which just focus on the fundamentals. But from this year, I'm using entire 1 year to make some tutorials on how to create a new IP. So me and some of my friends we're working on a game project, which will be take an entire year of 2018. So I will try to release some tutorials to show how the design process come out and how to cooperate with crew members and working out entire IP of the game. Yes, definitely this project never can be done by one or two persons. It's need a group of team members working together. So we have a writer, we have 3D artist, we have game designer, and so on. I will involve in this project as a art director and make sure all the artworks are going to correct direction. So okay. So before I go into the demo, okay, I may quickly show how is the word of this project look like. Okay, so here are some notes. So basically, this entire game world is going to be dark, okay, darkness, and it's kind of corruption of the world. People, there's a corruption here, and it's happening in the deep wood jungle. Those kind of feelings, and the mass, which is have the massive forest, and the people's living in those kind of ruins, which destroyed by the forest. Okay, so the actually the background story is very long. So, but I'm not going to share all this part here. Maybe I'm going to be share with you guys of this background stories when we do some characters or weapon designs. Okay, so here let's try to sketch one character, okay, one race of character, which is called Ursus Warbear, right? Basically, this is a bear look like a creature, and yeah, definitely we need to take note some of this key notes here for this character. Okay, they are very quiet. They basically hunt big creatures, and also they carve their stories onto their armor. Okay, their armor is meteor rig, and also they have the claws as well. Okay, they are actually quite big creature, which is 8 to 9 feet tall, and strong and epic. Okay, clothes wise, more close to native style, right? So this is I just write down some of notes, and with that we have to do some of quick sketch here first. Okay, you don't have to go to colors yet. We're just using black and white to find out the big overall ideas. Okay, maybe you can quickly sketch 3 sketch. You can show to your art director or whatever other people's. Okay, so and after that you can decide pick one of the design to proceed the color details. So with that I find some of reference here. Okay, just a few reference. This is maybe some of my patterns, native do style clothes, okay, and some of body builder. And this is a really nice designs from Guild War, and this is also a really cool armors, which is very close to our designs later. Okay, and this is bears, and this is also another native. You can also add those kind of feathers to make more of those a little bit wild feelings, right? And also those patterns also they are also how to say put their stories to the skin here. Okay, so that you can create some of tattoos here. And there's also another reference or armor. You can help it those orcs, but it's a bit too wild, but it's very nice of the shapes, which is layered, those kind of feeling. Okay, and metallic feeling as well. So yeah, with that let's quickly do some sketch. Okay, just create a new layer and then pick display color. So first just using this black and white lines to sketch all those all shapes. So for the sketch, it doesn't matter. If you can also directly paint it with color, no problem. All right. But what I'm showing here is just very easy way. Okay, you don't have to think in too much of the colors. Just give this overall impression first. All right. So your main focus will be like the forms of this creature. Okay, this big arm here. The arm is there. Maybe it's just holding some kind of very big giant, those kind of weapons. Maybe something like hammers. And not decided yet. Okay, I'm starting using black and white to quickly generate the values. Maybe I just change my brush to this one. Okay, so with this, I may drop some of these textures. So yeah, this sketch part, it doesn't matter, okay, which kind of way you use. I can just crop this body part to create this base body shape first, okay. And this body is quite like what is it, V shape body shapes, okay. Very strong and very clear of these muscle structures. And then turn this one is black and white. And just turn the fill down. Okay, just quickly give some ideas of these muscles here. Okay, you can also just wrap it to distort a little bit the shapes. Okay, I also crop this arm. Okay, quickly delete this background. You can also just erase. So you don't have to make a very clean right now. Go free. Okay, more important is this overall impression of this creature. And I do a lot of creature designs for many games, and normally this stage, which is a first draft of this impression, you can create 3 sketch, right? Probably you can take around 1 day. Okay, normally it's taking 1 day to come out one really nice impression from 3 sketch. Right? So after that, I just merge it. So the bear's head also I can just maybe using this part. Using lasso tool. So all these fundamental techniques here, I'm not going to repeat again, okay? So please go and check my previous tutorials to really go fundamentals, how to rendering those metals, okay? And how to do those animal fur painting, right? But from this, yeah, this tutorial is we going to be more focus on the design part. So this texture here is quite animal looking like. Okay, so we have to edit that, make a little bit more human feel. Okay, so maybe I push this. First, I just merge down. We push this ears a little bit lower, a little bit human, close to human ear position. And you can attach some hairs here. Okay, it also can. Okay, because it's more like human feeling of this creature. Just kill some more human look like eyes.